that's the back of a car's full of oil. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a super epic day. It's currently like 5:30 in the morning. Still waiting on Bobby and Brandon to get ready. I have to go wash the car because we went down a gravel road yesterday. The car's absolutely disgusting. Headed to Seattle to shoot with Brandon. He's shooting this car for the Stance Wars after movie, and then also shooting with Loading Lens. So that'll be super fun. And then rolling for Wekfest is at 10:15 in the morning. So it's kind of a jam-packed, fun-filled day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. What?
You're knocking me on my butt. Too early for this. Do you have my cell phone? That looks really cool.
We're gonna grab some Krispy Kreme coffee. I've never had it before. Do you guys have a white chocolate Americano? We're out in this big freaking train thing, and we're shooting a little section for the after movie of Stance Wars, where Brandon's shooting it, and I am pretend vlogging right now for the movie.
Ew, you're right by the wig.
What the f? Alright, let us know when.
Wait, are we just walking?
We're currently filming for the freaking movie, and I hate doing this. I hate acting. I'm not gonna act. I'm just gonna be me.
Wait, where are we walking?
You're walking in the car, and I feel like I should.
Are you walking with me though for a little bit?
I'll walk with you, and then we're gonna like move.
Here, then get on my side.
Okay. No, this is my bad side of my head.
Oh.
Why is he yelling at us?
It looks like he's kissing it.
Brandon is getting the final outro of our clip behind me.
The camera on me too, baby.
And yeah.
And yeah.
All right, get in. This is how you make movies, I guess. You just do this. You get a lot of views on your video if you have Bobby in the video anywhere. So Brandon rented out Bobby for the day. Oh, that was close! Where are you going? Okay, we're headed to Bobby's almost scraping. Are we gonna go to another location? Jesse! Oh, he's deaf, I think. Good job, baby. You did it really good. Come here. Good job. Mwah. Killed it. I have like hell bad anxiety right now. I always do.
Yeah, well, you're gonna freaking drift. What do you expect?
The last little segment of the after movie, I'm gonna be sliding the out of the 80s or the FRS in this little area here. Let's hope it all goes good, because I have to be at Wekfest in like 15 minutes. And I don't have time to fix my car if I wreck it. Full snide head. Man.
Very good. Give you this back. It needs to go on your dash. It needs to be there the entire time.
Okay, so update. We're just getting parked here in the CenturyLink area. So Devin wanted me to update the vlog again. So I don't really know exactly what we're doing. I'm just following him. So many cars.
You gotta clean the car because I was just drifting, as you guys saw. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean the wheels probably.
Let's do this.
Full snide, full snide. Everyone's still getting parked. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Honey, I don't know where yours is. It's gonna be a super fun event. Like, look at these cars. Well, there is some cool cars here today. So last week was Stance Wars. It's like more of a car meet, I would say. This weekend is like more of a show.
I'm just excited. I've always liked it here. Pumped.
Evo right here actually won Best of Show last year, and I wouldn't doubt it if it did it again. Check out this engine bay, babe. Remember that? This thing's nuts.
I'm so hungry.
I gotta feed her. We need to go. Damn, Lee. No, stepping it up, man. Good. How are you?
Good. Just gonna park it.
Yeah,
Hello.
good, man.
Thank you.
We're gonna go eat. Everyone's hangry as f. Air it out, bro.
Need all of the above.
So earlier when I was drifting, I kind of like wrecked my car a little bit, boys. I was full sniding it.
Kind of looks like they went ham.
Probably 2J. Yeah, it is. Is that a 2JZ, boys? Look at that turbo. You think my turbo's big? Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Send nudes.
dope.
Send nudes.
Okay.
DM nudes.
I'm gonna get a tire sticker that says DM nudes,
Yeah, look
actually.
at this. I would totally drive that car. Whoa.
I'm just faggot.
Oh.
What do you think so far?
What I think?
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna win best of show. Like 100%. Like,
Hands
no doubt.
down.
My interior is on point. Engine bay. Yeah. Like my engine bay is clean, bro.
The one thing I was saying is that comparing to like Stance Wars to Wekfest, I didn't see half these cars at Stance Wars.
Right?
Yeah, like Wekfest is a show that I personally don't think I'm ever gonna win anything at.
Mint. Hey, Mint FRS. I would say Mint.
Minty.
It's like,
Give
I'm
me
that
your-
guy in your video that freaked out at your FRS. I absolutely can't believe 6 things about this car. Number 1, can't believe that the owner is such a hunk. Number 2,
Yeah, I'm a
I
hunk.
cannot believe it's this low. Number 3, I cannot believe the wheels are this wide. Number 4, I can't believe this used to be an STI. 5, I can't believe the car goes up and down. I watched it. I saw it happen. Number 6, even though the car can lift itself, it still can't lift as much as the driver.
Oh.
Where can they find you on the gram, bro?
Crispy WRX.
I knew that.
Yeah.
Why are the wheels so wide and why is it off the freaking car?
The wheel's missing because that's dope. Look how clean that is. Like big ass brake setup, brake ducts. I need those Brembos for my car, yeah?
Sure.
Check out this engine build though. Let me ask you a serious question. Lambo doors in the FRS.
100%.
Oh, that was a good answer.
Lambo doors on the FRS.
110%.
Ask me again.
Look, I
You know what
was
the
so
answer is?
fast.
YOLO.
Full sned.
Full sned. Hey guys, Crispy WRX here. They call me Devin, but nobody really knows what my name is. I'm tired of people knowing my car and not knowing me. I really don't appreciate the advice, Devin. So when he uses this footage, please let him know he needs to stop telling me what to do. Although he's like level 3 cool on the cool scale out of 3. I hope everybody has a really good time today. I don't know how to stop this thing. I'm just gonna press the on button.
Oh, what's up, bro?
I messaged you, I was like, you at Wekfest, man?
Oh,
This is what it looks like when you're famous.
I don't know if you've seen me. I haven't even been on my
When you're famous like Devin, this is what it looks like.
You're famous.
See this? True smile.
Jordan wants to steal
I got
your
some pretty
car.
good shots of your
Did you?
car.
It's a true.
Over there, yeah.
this is-
Hold up, baby. Hold up.
Hold up, baby.
That's what a genuine smile looks like.
We've been walking around all day and we're both super tired, so I'm trying to sleep with my glasses on. And then we have Bobby.
I'm just trying to figure out a comfortable position to sleep in this car.
You're on the floor halfway. All right, we're awake finally. After what, like 20 minutes, babe? 30 minutes? But I got a monster now. So Devin's happy boy. Looks like we haven't really showed him any cars. I wish I had a gimbal to like do an edit for you guys. It'd be sick, but I don't. All right, so I got a serious question for you guys. When I rebuild my wheels,
How serious?
hey, come here, you as
Oh.
well. So currently I have flat lips, right? The wheels on my lips are flat, or the lips on my wheels are flat. Do you guys like flat lips like I have, or step lips?
Flat.
Do you like flat lips?
Yeah.
Comment down below, do you like step lips? These are flat lips, see how they're just one big flat thing? Let me know down below, step lips or flat lips? This here is Lee's car. This is like one of the most beautiful cars in the whole freaking show. And yeah, this thing's nuts. Like all the coloring he's got on this car, the Vars wide body, the interior's insane. This thing's like next level shit. What's up, man? Speaking of the owner, how you doing, bro? What was I? Go have a sit. Go sit in there? What? Currently sitting in my new car.
Making the motor stronger.
What do you think of this car?
Oh Lord.
This thing's
You
dope.
should have let you sit in here.
This thing is nuts on the inside. Yeah. No, everything about this car on the inside is wild. Like, look behind me, guys. Wild. The show's pretty much over. They're doing awards right now. I'm not expecting to win anything, and I know I'm not gonna win anything because my car is not that cool. Like, there's way cooler cars here.
Baby, your car is cool.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, no, don't get me wrong, it's sick. Can't compare my dailyable freaking rally the shit out of drift my FRS versus
Show cars like
Yeah,
never been driven
purposely
before.
built show cars.
Yeah.
But anyways, it'll be sick. Let's go hear some awards, see who wins best of show. I'm guessing it'll be Rob in the Evo again, like last year. And like best of FRS is dope. And dope.
And dope.
That'd be dope if Jordan won. Jordan could win best of FRS.
Oh, yeah.
Or best BRZ. I know I'm not going to, but he could. Well guys, that is the end of the show. My buddy Jordan, 3 Cities BRZ, actually won best BRZ, best FRS of the entire show, so that's super sick. Huge shout out to Jordan. Go follow him on Instagram at 3 Cities BRZ. He owns that highlighter, the other car. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the meet. It's about to get really, really loud in here. Yo, so we made it back to this location, and Bobby is Cat Girl. And I also bought new wheels for my car.
Wait, hold on.
I gotta show them my new wheels for my car.
I'm not crabby, I'm hangry. There's a difference.
I bought new wheels for my car. Let me show you guys them real quick. New wheels, do this. How do you like the new wheels?
Where can I get that like that?
That's sick. And then we have a wild Tyler over here who looks really fatigued. Too drunk? Why are you driving then, boy? Are you white, bro? Fuck up your car for YouTube 101. Yeah, too bad you cracked your hood. I'm really a big fan of these aim gains. You like this kit right here? Hella clean. Let me show you guys this car. Yeah, it's like clean. Super, super clean. Down here we have this hella wide STI. It's like a 12 to 14, I'm guessing.
Have to walk all the way down here?
Yeah, this thing's sick. Just another good day, good times with good friends. So Brandon, serious question. If you had to give one piece of advice to someone that wants to take photos, what would you say?
Don't copy people.
That's it? That's pretty good. That's actually solid. Yeah, be original.
What
Be
was your
inspired,
question?
but don't copy.
What was that?
Be inspired, but don't copy.
Pretty good?
Yeah, that's actually really good. That's deep, Brandon.
That is deep. If you had to give one piece of advice to someone that wants to be a fitness model, what would you have? What's the piece of advice you have to give?
Be confident in yourself.
Confident?
Yeah.
Confidence is key.
Confidence is everything.
That's good. You're a smart girl, you know that? She's a smart girl. Hey, that's my girlfriend.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah. That's it, bro. Alright, I think we're gonna dip out of this meet. So
We're gonna go get food.
hey, I'll pick this back up tomorrow. See you guys then. Run. Faster, faster, faster. So last night I parked my car right there and I wake up in the morning and someone decided to plop it away from the grass. Still looks cute though. What's up, cutie? Hello. Today is the last day here in Seattle. We are headed out this morning. It's like 10 in the morning. Bobby wants Chick-fil-A again for like the third or fourth time, so we're gonna grab Chick-fil-A and then we're gonna be on the road to Seattle. What's up?
On the road to Spokane, not Seattle.
Oh, whatever. On the road to Spokane. Once again, huge shout out to Brandon for letting us stay at his house. Now let's go get some Chick-fil-A. One more drive down this gnarly ass driveway. So I actually got Bobby to change her mind on where we're going to eat. We're not going to Chick-fil-A. We are going to...
Wait, I wanted to check something actually.
We're going to Triple XXX. It's like a root beer drive-in place, and I've been there once. And when I went there, the hamburger was like this big. We're just gonna get coffee. Like
You might want to show your YouTube how you make bird calls. Caca!
like that.
Louder.
No, I'll break my mic. I think it's your turn to try. That's a bird?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like a dying penguin.
Yeah, well, let's hear your chirp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we finally made it to Triple X. So this place is actually kind of was thrown on the car scene because they used to host these fatty freaking car meets back in the day, and I think it kind of outgrew this parking lot. But yeah, I'm sure if you're in the Pacific Northwest, you know all about. Read the sign.
Nothing that you eat or drink here is good for you.
What do you think so far?
This is cute.
It's wild, huh? So what we got, a Triple X root beer float, is that what it's called? And a Triple X burger. We split both of those, but we didn't even come close to finishing the burger, and we're both fat now and not feeling good at all. Like those freaking burgers are massive. I don't even know how you could eat a whole one by yourself. I don't think it's possible. A human can't do that. It's not possible. There's no way. Well, we're gonna head back to Spokane now. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a very good trip for the most part. Why? Because I can't talk. I know. I always think what I'm gonna say, and then it just comes out so weird. If you just talk, you just speak your mind, it just comes out so fluently. Gotta go see Cameron and all that fun stuff. Shall we go? Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Of course. Let me know.
We'll do it. I'll let you know if I make it.
Oh yeah. If not, dude, let me know. I got a car trailer
I appreciate the help, man. I came out to the back of my car, and I noticed the back of my car's full of oil. I was like, I thought it was coming out of my exhaust, because that means my motor's gone.
Yeah.
And then I smelled it and it's diff fluid, so I looked under there. And my rear diff drain plug was falling out. And thankfully, the guy with the Evo, we were cruising with him earlier, and he stopped, and he pulled up right there, and started talking to me. And then he had tools with him. But we gotta get to Moses Lake. Game plan right now is try to make it to Moses Lake, get tools, hopefully get some diff fluid. The adventures of a stance car. So I'm here to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna run in, grab Allen wrenches, and I need to figure out what diff fluid this thing takes. But we made it, so we should be good to go. I gotta let this thing cool down, and then we could tighten that drain plug, throw fluid in there, and hopefully this rear diff doesn't seize up. This is scary. Like, we're like, what, 3 hours away from home? 2.5 hours away? Yeah, hopefully I don't break down. It's okay though. Scarlett, you're in good hands.
We're still sitting here in Moses Lake trying to get tools to fix this thing. Currently it's like 94 degrees out right now. Super, super, super hot.
All right, so I got all the tools needed. I got oil, and now we're letting the car cool off. We're at Starbucks, got the car in the shade, letting it cool off, and then I'm gonna head out there. And honestly, I'm just gonna, and I got a new drain bolt. What I'm gonna do, drain all the oil out of there, throw a new plug in, fill it up. Hopefully we make it back to Spokane without the rear diff seizing up. Wish us luck. Stock jocks are sketchy as hell, especially with pliers. It's your damn hands. They actually go pretty high though. You know how fun this would be without air ride? This is fun, huh?
I'm having the time of my life.
All right, we got the car all fixed up. Hopefully it's good to go. Now the car is all full of oil. I'm gonna run to a car wash, degrease the shit out of everything on the underside, spray it all off, get all the oil off the wrap because I don't want it all stained up. But I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog right here. It's been a long day. It's been a very, very long day. It could have been a lot worse. I'm just glad it didn't seize up already, or I'm glad it like didn't lock up on the freeway. It could always be a lot worse. That's the car life though. There's always shit that's gonna go wrong. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.